We had an incredibly positive experience with Magnetic Speaking.
The process was fantastic. We had Magnetic Speaking come into our office.
I needed to find authenticity and a little bit more ability to speak in an impromptu setting.
And we found that everyone, regardless of level or department, found this training to be incredibly insightful and effective.
I really loved the curriculum and the way the classes were structured.
We held 3 trainings over 3 weeks. All of our employees, for the most part, are working remote right now. So being able to offer a virtual training was great.
The virtual, I have to say, was as effective as the physical training. This is our reality right now.
What's cool also is I've logged in and I've noticed that people from all over the US are in these classes, so that's really cool.
The best part is the confidence.
One of our product managers recently commented to me about one of her direct reports and said his delivery from the start was better than she had ever seen before.